What's up, Jazz Guy Squad? If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Today we're testing out this internet hack that we heard about where you take your cinnamon rolls and you add a half a cup of heavy whipping cream on top of them right while they're raw, and then when they're baked, it's supposed to make them taste like the restaurant called Cinnabon. I've never been to Cinnabon before, so all I know is that the pictures of the cinnamon rolls look very good. So this will be my first time having something that will taste like cinnamon. Here we go. So I have a round pan. I'm gonna just lay these out so they're slightly touching each other. These cinnamon rolls, if you ever get a chance to get them from Trader Joe's, they're really good and they stay soft. They don't get really hard after like the Pillsbury ones. And you can see how much filling they put for cinnamon. You know how in the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls you get a little tiny thing of frosting? Look how much frosting the Trader Joe's one gives you.
So here comes the heavy whipping cream. I predict that the cinnamon rolls might be a little soggy with this. It's gonna be interesting. Supposedly you just pour it right on top of the cinnamon roll. So I'm trying to get a good layer under. And if you have excess cream, you don't need to put the whole half cup. Since I only have 5 cinnamon rolls, I'm gonna put my excess back.
Now it's time to bake these. And these ones cook a little bit longer than your typical ones, like from the Pillsbury. These ones cook for 18 to 20 minutes at 350. I'll see you soon. I just heard my timer go off, so it's time to go get the cinnamon rolls. So there's the cinnamon rolls. They really puffed up. Now I'm going to put the sauce. Very soft. It almost looks like they have frosting on them already. They gave me so much frosting, I'm going to throw this away because it's too much. Now it's time to give them a try. Okay. So there it is. And I can see some of the cream is coming out here. Maybe I put a little too much. Okay, let's give it a try. I personally don't taste the difference, but I'll try to dip it in the cream. Everything is better with cream. I guess maybe it'll help keep them softer for longer. I do like that you can like scoop up some of the cream. It's all warm. It does make them a little bit moist. And you know what? It doesn't take much time for this. You only just toss in a half a cup of the heavy whipping cream. So it's pretty easy. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please subscribe for more videos.